into this tube, and we can see its definition shows on the screen. It's very nice. This image is on the screen. Okay, now we can see this system function. We have different language choices, like English, French, or Russian, Japanese. We have many choices of language, so it can meet different needs of language. Okay, these are the system functions. And this radioscope is the probe is made of tungsten braided cable, and the diameter of the probe is ranging from 1 millimeter to 6 millimeter, and the tube length max can be made to 10 meters. So if you have different needs of, you have different inspection needs of long tubes, we can totally design it for you. Okay.